Type 3. Directly we'll write find range of that is quadratic like trigonometric function. Quadratic like trigonometric function. Suppose I am asking find range of sin a square x plus sin x plus 1. B, I am saying find a range of sin a square x plus cos x. Chaturbhuj again in sleeping mode. Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. And type 4. When so that type third we have already told you in the basics maths. So I'm not going to repeat it again. Type 4 I am going to repeat again. Type 4 is saying like find range of sin x plus cot x plus sec x. X belongs to first quadrant. Oh, yeah. This expression. So how that statement is matching with this expression I am going to say. Okay. This is saying when reciprocal of sine, cos and tan is mixed. Okay, see. Cot is there. What is cot? Cos by sine. So here sine is present. And what will be the reciprocal of sine? 1 by sine is present here. Sine and 1 by sine matched. Now what is left? Here cot is cos by sine. Cos is left. So what will be reciprocal of cos? 1 by cos. And what is 1 by cos? Sec. So sec is present here. Okay na? Okay. So in this type of range problem, we apply m greater than equals to gm concept. Now how it will give range? It's very simple thing. So I will write sin x plus cot x plus sec x. I will find arithmetic mean of this. So this will be divided by 3. There's 3. Now m is greater than equals to gm. So gm how will write? Sin x into cot x into sec x raised to 1 by 3. Now see this sin x, sec x, cot x all will get cancelled and that will become 1. So why this reciprocal? From where? What is unique in this calculation? You have to find range of addition and their product is 1. So m you will get sum, product you will get, gm you will get product. ठीक है? Okay, SS? Huh? You are here, na? So now what will get here? Sin x plus cot x plus sec x is get, this is 1, 1 raised to 1 by 3, 1, and this is 3 positive number we can multiply. So this value is greater than equals to 3. Greater than equals to 3 means 3 to infinity. Understood? So if this type of question you are getting in exam, if you don't know this logic, you cannot solve the question. Okay, na? So you need to understand each and every logic, how to observe the questions. First, this pattern, acha, in this pattern, quadratic type will use. And when you cannot understand anything, sir, how to find range? I don't know. First, come to this part. And in this part also, you always remember, whenever it is giving x is from 0 degree to 90 degree, 0 to 90 degree means first quadrant all are positive. So we apply m greater than equals to gm only for positive quantities. If I say this x belongs to first and second quadrant, we cannot apply this logic. Why? First quadrant, second quadrant sign will be positive. Quad, first quadrant positive, second quadrant negative. Sec, first quadrant positive, second quadrant negative. It means sign is positive always, but sec and cot is positive and negative both. So we cannot apply this concept. We can apply am greater than equals to gm only when our quantities are positive. That's why this information is given. X is from first quadrant, then find a range of this. But in this question, it is not written x is from first quadrant, find a range of this. Because that has no foundation. वो कहीं भी हो, wherever x is lying, we don't care. But here, it's necessary to know when we are applying m greater than equals to gm, it is very necessary to know whether our each terms are positive or not. If not positive, we cannot apply this concept. If it's positive, we'll apply the concept. Okay? Write down. क्या हो गया, क्या हो गया तुम सबको? ओए, पुनीत का सीट मुझे बदलना पड़ेगा अब लग रहा है. पुनीत उस सीट से अब बोर हो चुका है. यही तो बात है. बात क्यों नहीं किया? राइट डाउन वन क्वेश्चन. वन क्वेश्चन राइट डाउन. ये क्वेश्चन को स्टार मार्क करके लिखना. मे बी एनी वन कैन आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन. फाइंड range of find range of so how many of your parents are scolded at home? Are your parents scolded? This side. Samir Chaturbuj, parents are scolded na? You're also somehow. ये तो फ्री में स्कोल्ड हो गया भैया. Why? हाँ? Yes, yes, your parents didn't scolded you. हाँ? यशवंत? नो, मैंने बुलाया ही नहीं था सर पेरेंट्स को. बुलाया था. Came. Monish, your parents came that day? अच्छा, but I didn't meet them ना. Find a range of, लिख लिए. Now try to think this. Is this type 1? No. Type 1 is very simple. 2 sine x plus 3, 2 sine square x plus 4, 5, like that. Come to type 2. Come to type 2. What is type 2? A sin x plus b cos x. This is not a format of a sin x plus b cos x. Yes or no? Come to type 3. No. Sin a square x sin x. This is quadratic in sin x. How you will find the range of this? This sin a square x, you will write 1 minus cos a square x plus cos x. Here. Here you cannot change sec a square into cot, or you cannot change cot a square into sec. Acha, sec a square you want to change, it will only change into tan a square. It won't change into sec cot a square. Yes or no? It means type 1, 2, 3 failed here. It means now probability is increased. This is type 4 m greater than equals to gm. Now the question is, how I will know this is 100% like that? So first check, all terms are positive. Sec a square is positive, cot a square is also positive, plus 2 is also positive. Acha, now when you are checking positive, don't see constant. If I write here minus 3, then also no problem. Constant can be positive, negative both. But where x is present, that should be only positive. So tell me, sec a square, x is present, tan a square, x is present, both is positive or not? It means m greater than equals to gm, for m greater than equals to gm, it is good. Now we need to check whether we can apply or not. So just tell me, sec a square and cot a square are both reciprocal of each other? No, not reciprocal. What is sec a square? 1 by cos a square. What is cot a square? Cos a square by sin a square. Both are not reciprocal of each other. Achha, can I change this into some other term so that it becomes reciprocal? Yes. Sec a square, I will write 1 plus tan a square, Jayanti. Now sec a square will change into tan a square. And this is cot a square. Tell me, tan a square, cot a square are reciprocal or not? Then we can apply m greater than equals to gm. Understood? So what I will write, sec a square x 1 plus tan a square x plus cot a square x plus 2. Now this will become tan a square x plus cot a square x plus 3. Now we'll apply m greater than equals to gm on this. And in last, I will add 3. So I will take tan a square x plus cot a square x by 2 is greater than equals to a square root. Two terms are there. So 1 by 2 will be there, a square root. Tan a square x into cot a square x. So here this will become tan a square x plus range is 2 to infinity. For this range is 2 to infinity. Now we'll add 3. So 2 plus 3. Infinity plus 3. So add 3. What will get? 5 to infinity. And if it is minus 3, subtract 3. Minus 1 to infinity. Okay na? Write down. One could Okay, now write down question. If y is equals to, if y is equals to if y is equals to a square tan square x plus b square cot square x, then find y minimum. Then find y minimum. करो. चलो फटाफट. हाँ, समझने में लगाना है, इसमें नहीं लगाना है. One day we'll do class of, no problem. But apply your brain here. समझ में नहीं आ रहा तुम्हें? Both are positive term, both are reciprocal of each other. For finding range, I will apply m greater than equals to gm. That's all. गोकुल, अब क्या 1+1 में सिखाऊं? What do you want me to teach 1+1 2? Their multiplication will come. Don't write plus. Tan square, cot square are reciprocal of each other. It will get cancelled. A square, b square, a square root mod ab. Minimum value will be 2 mod ab. क्या था? हाँ, क्या है इसमें? First से positive positive ना, why you are thinking how we'll do the question? First से positive. What I have taught you, same thing you have to see. Write down. So range will be 2ab to infinity. Write down next. Summation of trigonometric series. Summation of trigonometric series. Summation of trigonometric series whose angles are in AP. Whose angles are in AP. हाँ हाँ हाँ, अरे so this, this is the AP. A brain, make your brain strong and listen what I am saying. Yes sir. Yes sir. Don't do like that. So these are in AP. Okay now? Let's give A is equals to 5 degree and D is equals to 5 degree and N is equals to 5. 85 I want, 80 I want, 20 minus 1 and 19. N is equals to 19. 18 into 5, 19, 17. So what will be the first angle? 5 degree. What will be second angle? 10 degree. Third angle? Fourth. And so on, so on, so on. What will last angle? 5 plus 17 minus 1, 16 into 5, 85 degree. Now I am going to give 5 degree, 10 degree, 15 degree to sine. So this will become sine 5 degree. Sine 10 degree. Sine 15 degree. Sine 85 degree. And I am saying add all. It means if angles are in AP and sine is present over there, how will add? Cos is present over there, how will add? For tan, there is no such concept. रहने दो उसे. Okay, na? But only sine should be there. Sine square should not be there. If sine square is there, we cannot add. Then we'll have to think something else. It's not like we cannot add. Then we have to think something else. But here, when sine, direct sine is there, all are sine, angles are in AP, then we can add. All name is cos, not cos square, not cos cube. Only sine should be there. Okay. So this I am going to tell you how to add all this. Okay. So simply what I am going to do, this A part, this I am going to remove as you understood. There is no need to write all these things. You can revise from your video all these things. So simply what I am doing here, sine I am giving to all. Sine A plus sine A plus D plus sine A plus 2D plus sine A plus n minus 1 into d. If I have to add, how will add? So there is one formula. So simple, what you have to do, sine, you have to write n d by 2. Means n is, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose it is 20. So n value will become 20. What is n? You don't write here. Don't say I cannot, I am not seeing your hand. From your mind, I can read what you are doing. Sine n d by 2 upon sine d by 2. And what is the common difference of that angle? Into sine a plus n minus 1 d by 2. That's all. This will become answer. Okay, proof someday I will give. Okay, na? So if I have to solve this addition, if I have to do, first of all, I will find how many terms are there. Now the question is, sir, how I will find? So first two case will be there. मनोज खड़े हो जाओ. हाँ. Stand up and listen. That is not punishment. First, A angle, first angle we can find 5 degrees A. D common difference. Yes, one. 10 minus 5 is 5. Common difference is D. So in this formula, N is required, D is required, A is required. A is 5, D is 5, only N I have to find. N means counting will do 1, 2, 3, 4, how many are there? Now the question is how we'll do the counting. That is the main problem here. Don't say it directly because you know the answer. So simple what I will apply formula of AP. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now what is last term? What is A? Now here I will find N. 5 will go that side. 85 minus 5? 5 will divide that side. 80 by 5? 16. So 16 is equals to N minus 1. N is equals to 17. It means N value is 17 for this question. Okay. Now we'll apply the formula. We'll get the answer. Sine. Answer will be sine 17 into 5. N is 17, D is 5. 17 into 5 by 2 upon sine 5 by 2. Now sine 5 plus N minus 1. 16. 16 into 5 by 2. 2 will cancel 16 8 times. 8 into 5, 40. Okay. Now we'll write 17 into 5 how much? 85 by 2. Uh, 42.5. We'll write sine 42.5 upon sine 2.5 into sine 45, which is 1 by root 2 answer. Acha, see, I have taken this question randomly from my side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. But when you will get question in exam, na, this value you will be knowing. Suppose this will become 600 degree or 400 degree. So remember, if higher angle are there divided by 360, put the remainder. पुनीत क्या करते रहते हो तुम राजा महाराजा की तरह बैठने के लिए यहाँ पे आए हो कि तुम एडजस्ट कर रहे हो खुद को राइट डाउन when same thing will be in cos, okay na, cos a plus b, cos a plus 2d, cos a plus n minus 1 into d. So simply at place of this sign only cos will come. This sign, this whole term will be as it is, this both term will be as it is, sine. Here this will be cos, the rest all will be as it is. So second series you will write cos a plus d plus cos a plus 2d plus dot cos a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So for sine we have formula, for cos you have formula. Okay na? So write down one question. find value of sit down, sin square 1 plus sin square 2 plus sin square 3 dot sin square 359. From sin square 1 to sin square 359, we have to find its addition. Okay? Okay, so we'll understand this question. So try to think sin square 1 degree plus sin square 2 degree plus sin square 3 degree plus sin square 359 degree. How many of you understood how to solve this question? Raise your hand. 2, 3. 100% means don't take it in another way. I am saying 100% all three will be wrong. इसका हाथ ज़्यादा देर तक उठा है, इसका मतलब इसे पता हो सकता है. अच्छा, let's see how you will solve. Yes, tell me. Sheikh will say first. No, not in that way. That first and plus 60 is 360. No, not in that way. With help of the angles are in AP or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are in AP or not? Acha, if I write at last angle 357, then you cannot solve, na? Yes or no? He's saying, sir, that concept, a smallest angle 1 plus 359, both will become 360. So this we can write, na, 360 minus 1. ठीक है ना? That I can understand, but now tell me, who has some different answer for this? हाँ, पुनीत बताओ. Same. हाँ. Talha, you tell me. No, now think some other thing. Just remember when angles are in AP, na? Yes or no? Angles are in AP. And if angles are in AP, we have series for formula now. But that formula we cannot apply here. This formula we cannot apply here in that question. Who knows the reason why we cannot apply that formula here? Raise your hand. A square is present. That's you know the problem, then you should find the solution. A square is problem. It means if a square is not there, we can find answer yes or no easily. Now can you tell me how you will remove that square? What is the formula to remove a square changing degree 2 into degree 1? कोई मॉड थॉट नहीं. मनोज फिर तुम इधर उधर देख रहे हो, मैं तुम्हें खड़ा कर दूंगा. मैं यहां दिमाग रख के सोचो. तुम्हें तो फॉर्मूला याद है ना? यू नो ऑल द फॉर्मूला ना मनोज? टेल मी इन विच फॉर्मूला साइन स्क्वायर विच रिड्यूसिंग टू डिग्री 1? रिमेंबर ऑल द फॉर्मूला? गोकुल, in which formula degree 2 is reducing to degree 1? Two sin theta cos theta, sin and cos both is coming, na? That is sin 2 theta formula. How you are saying sin square formula? Yes, 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So that is the formula where this solution is hiding. So sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So our formula was for degree 1, question was for degree 2. It means we have to think, can we change degree 2 into degree 1? So yes, that formula is there for sin square, where sin square degree is changing into degree 1. So this will write 1 minus cos. This is theta. What will be 2 theta? 2 degree upon 2 plus 1 minus cos 4 degree by 2 plus 1 minus cos 6 degree by 2 plus 1 minus cos 718. Yes or no? Now, can we separate? We'll get 1 by 2 minus cos 2 degree by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos 4 degree by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos 6 degree by 2. One by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. How many times 1 by 2? Tell me. अरे 4 times. पगला बीच में कहाँ गया 1 by 2? 4 times. 359 times. Because this 1 degree is generating 1 by 2. 2 degree is also generating 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 359 times. What it will become? 359 by 2. 1 by 2, if you add 3 times, what you will get? 3 by 2. 1 by 2, if you add 5 times, 5 by 2. Okay? Now minus cos 2 degree by 2, minus cos 4 degree by 2, minus cos 6 degree by 2 till minus cos 718 by 2. So can we take 1 by 2 common there? So now what this will become? Cos 2 degree plus cos 4 degree plus cos 6 degree plus cos 718 degree. Now this is in AP or not? What is A? What is D? 2 degree. Okay. Now N 359. From here only we can see 359 terms are there. Okay. Or you can write N formula. Go with N formula. Maybe if you forget then. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN 718 degree is equals to A 2 degree plus N minus 1 into D, which is 2 degree. 2 degree will come this side. 716 degree by 2 is equals to N minus 1. What is 716 by 2? 358. 358 is equals to N minus 1. And you know N will be 359. And we know 359 is there. So now we'll apply the formula and we'll write the answer. What is that? Sine N 359 into D. D is 2 by 2. Upon, oi, sine 1 degree. This is degree. Sine A 2 plus N minus 1. 359 degree minus 1 into D is 2 by 2. 2 will cancel. So this will become simply sine 2 degree na. हाँ हाँ मैं भी वही सोच रहा हूँ क्या आ गया यार. जीरो आ गया. मैथ्स फेल हो गया क्या यहाँ पे? Cos formula. So see this. 2 plus 3, this cancel now, so this will be removed. Simply 359 minus 1, 358 plus 2, 360. So our answer will be now, here I am here I am going to design our answer. 2 cancel here. 359 degree. Sine 359 degree upon sine 1 degree into cos 360 degree. So what is cos 360? 360 means 0 degree. So this will become 1. And sine 359 and 1 both combined 360 degree. So you can write sine 360 degree minus 1 upon sine 1 degree and cos 360 degree. Sine 360 minus theta. Huh? Minus sine theta upon sine 1 degree cos 360 degree 1. So that value is minus 1. This value is minus 1. So total answer will be 359 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 358 by 2, 179 answer. Right on. Huh. Oh, this is minus 1. So this minus minus will become plus. It means answer will be 180. Same way, someone can ask you cos square 1 plus cos square 2 plus cos square 3. They can ask in cos square also.